In this video, I will show you how to print the ASCII character for the given code. So first open the IDE, create a new source file. So first include standard input output header file. Then begin the main function. Here I am going to declare 4 variables of integer type. So n1 is equals to 65, or I will take like this. I will accept the values at runtime. I won't initialize inside the program. I will accept them while running this program. So 4 numbers I am going to accept from the user. So I will provide enter first number \n like this. Same statement I will use for 3 more times to read the remaining numbers. Enter second number, enter third number, enter fourth number. Okay, enter second input number, enter third number, enter fourth number. And after displaying the message to enter first number, we are allowing user to enter a number with the help of scanners function. So as it is integer number, we use format specifier %d. Here we are going to assign a value for the first variable n1. So that is written like this. Same statement, just I am copying and I will paste 3 more times for n2, n3 as well as for n4. n1, n2, n3, n4. After capturing the values, I am trying to print what is the value of that particular character. %c. If you want to print a character, use format specifier %c and try to print n1. So that means n1 is assigned with some number. For that number, what is the ASCII code, ASCII character that is assigned, that will be printed. So again, I will copy this statement. I will paste it. After n2, I am checking which character is going to be printed for n2. After n3 also I am checking which character is printed for n3. And after n4 also I am trying to print which character is going to be printed. Like this, n4. Just I will separate the first number related statements, second number related statements, third number related statements. If you observe, first we will provide a message to read a number. After reading the number, immediately it prints the equivalent ASCII code for that particular number. Then it allows the user to enter the second number. Then the user will enter some number to that. For that number, what character is assigned, that character is going to be printed. Similarly, that will allow third number and fourth number like this. So you need to save this program. It is related to ASCII code. So ASCII code demo.c. So it is a .c file created here. Compile. So it is showing an error message here. Just I will check it. Yeah. So majority of the times I'm using print. So it is printf. Printf. Once I corrected again, need to change compile. And still one more is there. I will check it. Printf. Yeah, here. This one is missing. Printf and printf. Instead of printf, just I type it in a overlook print. That's the reason I got the error. Now I cleared that, so no errors. As according to the C syntaxes, there are no errors. Now we can run the program by clicking on this icon or press the F10 button. Now enter first number. Assume so the series of uppercase alphabet starts from 65 to 90. Suppose if I enter 65, which character is prints? Caps lock A means uppercase A is going to be printed. You can see here A is printed. Enter second number. Suppose if I enter 90, 90 means capital Z. Now enter third number. Suppose I enter 97. 97 means lowercase a. Enter fourth number 122. Then it prints lowercase z. Actually here the statements are clubbed together. Just I will separate them by applying slash n here. I will try to, after printing the particular character, again I will apply new line. To separate one line output with the remaining lines of outputs, I will use slash n here. So after this, there are no further statements are this, so no need to give slash n after the last statement. Compile, run the program. Now you can understand the starting letter, caps letter is located at 65. So capital A printed. Enter second number. So for I want to print uppercase Z. Z is enter third number. 97 is representing small a. 122 is representing small z. Capital A, capital Z, small z, based on the number. 65 is assigned with A, 90 is assigned with Z, 97 means small a. So where can we find this one? So we have actually an ASCII chart you can find here. If you observe here, 65 is the ASCII code. This one I will highlight. 61, so 65. 65 is the ASCII code that is assigned for capital A. So there are alphabets are 26 alphabets are there. Again 90th alphabet is capital Z. Now after giving a break, again 97 is starts from small a, lowercase a, and 122 is end up with lowercase z, lowercase z, this one. So that is the reason I know this series 65 to 90 means capital A to Z I know, and 97 to 120 means small a to small z. Just I am highlighting 65, only the beginning character, ending character, beginning character, and ending character. So with my interest, just I given these four values. Suppose, for example, if I want to print some other character sets, if I want to print some other character sets, I will show you which character sets I am going to print. Before 65, there are some, yeah, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64. If you observe, 64 means at the rate sign, 63 means question mark, 62 means greater than, 61 means equal. Actually, we are allowing the user to print four input values. So user is going to enter 61, 62, 63, 64. We will observe whether these characters are going to be printed as output or not. When you are assigning 61, it is supposed to going to present equal sign. When you are assigning 62, it is going to print greater than sign. When you are assigning 63, question mark sign. When you are assigning 64, at the rate sign. Remember 61 to 64. Now I will open the program. I will rerun the program. This time I will change the input value 61. 61 means equal sign is printed. 62 means greater than is printed. 63 means question mark is printed. 64 means at the rate symbol is going to be printed. So these all these character sets are predefined one in 0 to 255. So each digit is pointing to a particular symbol. For example, 58, 59, 60, and I will also consider suppose 57. So if I entered 57, 9 is going to be printed. 58 means colon, 59 means semicolon, 60 means less than. Beginning from 57 to 60. Now again I will rerun the program. This time I will enter 57. Now the digit 9 is going to be printed. 58, some other character is going to be printed, that is colon. Next one, semicolon is going to be printed for 59. And 60, last one, that is less than symbol is going to be printed. So like that in our program what we done, if you observe here, I am trying to capture 4 y not 3 means, yeah, as per your requirement you can read n number of input values from the user. With my interest, just I am collecting 4 input values from the user in the form of integer number, ranges from 0 to 255 only. Why? Because the ASCII character set starts from, if you observe this chart, it starts from 0. It starts from 0 and ends with 255. 255. This is the last character, non-breaking space or no break space. So that is last character that can be printed for G. So the ASCII value character range is 0 to 255 numbers only we can allow. So for N1, we have to assign in between 0 to 255, N2, N3, and N4. So what I tried, first I allow the user to enter first number. Once the user enters a number that is assigned to N1, immediately I am printing what is that N1 is pointing to. How can I print it? If you see here, I use it this time format specifier as %C. %C means it prints the character that is assigned for the given ASCII code. Same thing is done for the second one. What is this? N2 is pointing which character? N3 is pointing which character? And N4 is pointing which character? Like that, four characters I read, four integer values I read out from the user. And after capturing them, immediately I'm trying to print the values of ASCII code characters of the given numbers. So in this way, we can print ASCII numbers.